The Pentax Papilio Binoculars are a little different than most in that instead of being designed to take a better look at distant objects, although they can still do it, they really excel at enabling you to have a much better look at objects from close range. Papilio literally translates to butterfly in Latin, which was chosen because that is mostly what these have been designed and optimized for observing. Things like butterflies, bees, dragonflies, and other insects, as well as flowers or even birds from closer distances, as they have a very near minimum focusing distance of only 1.6 feet, 49 centimeters. And these compact reverse prism binoculars would be an excellent companion for exploring Mexico's monarch butterfly reserves because they double as a long-distance microscope. You can focus on fluttering wings as close as 18 inches away through multi-coat lenses that coax out every diminutive detail. Reverse prism engineering reveals rich depth of field up to 357 feet at 1,000 yards and also allows for the unique unibody design. The objective lens is set in a single housing to synchronize the eyepiece movement, making it easier to focus on those extreme close-ups. As the name would suggest, the Papilio is light, a hair over 16 ounces, making it ideal for wildflower hikes and backcountry birding.